So, okay, team, we can start our session now. So, Happy New Year. So, nowadays, I have been receiving few messages regarding currently I am working as a medical coder in India. So, can I get job in USA? So, in order to help the coders who are looking into get job in USA, we are having this session today. So, today our topic is current medical coding job market for Indians in USA. So basically, I got this total input from my students who are currently residing in USA. So based on their inputs, I have created this session. So today we are going to know what are the mandatory documents required to get job in USA and what is the qualification required for getting the medical coder job in USA and what is the experience is required and what is the age criteria and I will show you few job search tips here and we are providing job placement of fast coder 21 students. Okay, next we are having Q&A. Okay, so first of all we will see the mandatory document. So in order to have medical coding job in USA, we need to have the, all of us know, we need to have H14. Okay, so as a spouse, if you are want to go and work as a medical coder in USA, you need to have H4 EAD visa. Okay, so if you are having that visa, you are able to work in USA. And next, you need to have your USA company work experience document. Okay, and you need to have few other documents which are related to your income and qualification wise. In USA, they are not seeking any qualification, but currently I have few students. They are having 50 years. So currently they are trying for medical coding job in USA. And for experience wise, for Indians, our Indian medical coder experience is not valid in USA. Okay, so you need to have USA medical coder experience if you want to get job in USA. So Indian medical coder experience is not valid in USA. Okay, and age wise, as I told you before, there is no particular restriction related to age, and like qualification also, if you are having little like receptionist job previously in any hospital in USA, they will take you. Okay. In job search tips, so if you want to get job in USA, first of all, you need to gather the all hospital information in USA, and you need to go to their hospital websites and you need to apply. In UK, it is very easy to get the job. Why means in UK we are having one NHS website. Using that website, we can apply for jobs. But in USA, there is no such website where we can apply for the job. So you need to go to websites of the each and every hospital and you need to check for career option. There you can apply for any type of medical coding jobs. Okay. And job search tips, and you need to master few things here if you want to apply for any job. Technical wise, you need to have good understanding of billing, medical coding, as well as good communication skills. As all of us know, communications plays very important role in any country. Even in USA also same thing. You need to have good understanding and good communication skills. So if you don't have communication skills, they will not take you. Okay, and they will not provide the opportunity for medical coder job. And few companies are asking for green card residents only or permanent residents of USA. Few companies will not take you even if you are having the EAD visa. Okay, so it is based on company, but you can search for the job whenever you are having the opportunity. It differs from company to company. What are the documents they need from the candidates? Okay. And as I told you before, we are providing job placement for Fast Coder 21 students. Currently, we have provided jobs for 2 students. Currently, they are residing in USA. Okay. And that is the thing. So I would like to tell you here, if you are applying the jobs and if you are in India, you are creating problem for our Indian medical coders in USA. So as I told you, visitor visa is not acceptable in order to find medical coding job in USA. So someone is asking how to begin. So if you want to search and find job in USA, you need to have the resident of USA. Like as I told you before, you need to have green card. Then only you can search for medical coding job. Yes, whenever there is a opportunity, we are providing, but we are providing USA opportunity for only our students. So as I told you before, we have provided medical coder opportunity for two of our students. They are currently residing in USA. And try to understand, if you are resident of India, please don't apply for USA jobs. If you are resident of USA only, you can apply for USA medical coder jobs. Even nowadays, few companies are mentioning in the post only. So this job is for only US residents. They are Indians only. So our students are Indians only. They have settled in US. And one more concept is, for example, currently or previously you have worked in one company in India. If the same company is having branch in USA, they will take you. For example, company A is, so if you are resident of USA, surely you will get the job. Why means few of our students visited hospital websites in order to get the job. So while filtering only, they are telling we will not provide this job opportunity for EAD holders. We need coders with permanent residency or green card. And one more thing, try to remember, USA will not provide medical coder jobs outside USA. So in USA, age is not a criteria. You can start anytime. That is the good thing we need to understand if you are resident of USA. So qualification is also not a problem. So in order to start as a medical coder in USA, first you need to start as a receptionist or billing clerk. Then if your work is very good and if your communications are good, the hospital will change your job from billing or receptionist job to medical coder job. So as all of us know, we are from Fast Coder 21 YouTube channel. So our intention is to always help the medical coders who are in need of technical knowledge. So if you are having any complexity in any topic from surgery or inpatient, please mention in the comment section of our videos. We will create videos related to those topics. And if anyone looking for APC local chapter webinar links for free CUs, medical coding jobs in USA, India, UAE, join in our WhatsApp group. Group link is in the description of this video. And also we will provide trainings for same day surgery as well as SCC coding. So any doubt you can mention in the comment section of any video so that we can provide the assistance. So what is the module? Can you please share your module to our WhatsApp group? Already you are in our WhatsApp group. That's why you are joining this session now. So, and also we are providing jobs to USA residents if they are not our students also. So someone is asking salary package. So salary package is depends on your performance during the interview. There is a differentiation. So like freshers and experienced people, there is a variation between salary packages. Everything depends on your experience as well as whether you are having the residency or not and your interview performance. So in UAE, just you need to visit each and every hospital doorstep you need to apply for the jobs. Now in UAE also there is a huge competition. You need to go to each and every hospital and you need to produce your CV. And you can join in our WhatsApp group also. Whenever there is an opportunity, we are providing UAE, Dubai jobs also. So thank you guys. Thanks for visiting this live session. If anyone looking for same day surgery coding training, please send WhatsApp message to 707-526-3939. If you like this session, please like, comment and subscribe. Whenever you are having difficulty, please mention your difficulty in comment section of our videos.